Have you ever seen a charge on your bank statement or credit card? Well, that just did not look right. Or maybe you tried to cancel a service but the payments kept coming. It can be frustrating and even a little worrying when you feel like you are losing control of your money. Well, you absolutely can take action to block a merchant from charging your card. The most direct way is to contact the merchant yourself and cancel the service or subscription. If that does not work, your bank or credit card company can often step in to help dispute or block future charges. In some situations, getting a new card number might be the strongest solution. These methods work because consumer protection regulations and card network rules are in place to safeguard you against unauthorized or unwanted transactions. For debit cards, the Electronic Fund Transfer Act offers certain protections. For credit cards, the Fair Credit Billing Act provides a framework for disputing charges. Your financial institution has processes to help enforce these rights, ensuring that merchants cannot simply charge you indefinitely without your consent. Let us walk through how you can do this. First, try reaching out to the merchant directly. This is often the quickest path to resolution if you genuinely want to cancel a service. Contact them through their customer service channels, whether by phone, email, or their website portal. Clearly state that you are canceling your subscription or service and that you want all future charges to stop. Make sure you get a confirmation number or an email acknowledging your request. Document the date, time, and name of the person you spoke with. This paper trail is incredibly important. If the merchant does not cooperate, or if charges continue after you have tried to cancel, your next step is to contact your bank or credit card issuer. Explain the situation, providing them with all the details of your attempts to cancel with the merchant. For a credit card, you can typically dispute the specific charge. Your card company will investigate and may temporarily remove the charge while they look into it. For a debit card, you can instruct your bank to stop automatic payments. Under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, you have the right to stop pre-authorized debits by giving your bank written notice at least 3 business days before the payment is scheduled. Be sure to follow your bank's specific instructions for this written notice. In cases where you suspect fraud, or if a merchant is particularly uncooperative and you are struggling to stop charges, requesting a new card number can be a necessary step. This effectively cuts off the merchant's ability to charge the old card number. Remember that this will also mean updating payment information for any other legitimate, recurring services you have, like streaming subscriptions or utility bills. So, while effective, it is often considered a last resort for ongoing merchant issues. When dealing with these situations, always remember to differentiate between a one-time unauthorized charge and a recurring payment that you want to stop. For a single fraudulent charge, your bank or card company can usually reverse it through a dispute process. For recurring payments, specifically stopping them requires you to act within certain timeframes and follow specific notification procedures, often giving the bank sufficient advance notice. Also, be aware that some banks might refer to this process as placing a stop payment order on a specific merchant for a debit card. Keeping detailed records, including screenshots, emails, and call logs, can significantly strengthen your case if you need to escalate with your financial institution. By understanding these steps and knowing your consumer rights, you gain the power to manage your card transactions effectively. Being proactive, meticulously documenting your communications, and knowing when to involve your bank means you can protect your finances and ensure that only charges you authorize actually go through. This knowledge empowers you to confidently navigate any unexpected charges and maintain peace of mind with your financial accounts.